Most people will know what bookmarks are in the digital world, markers to take you back to something and to keep your place. But how do they work in Scrivener 3 for Windows? Today we're starting with the basics, what bookmarks are and using them for things that are within your project. There is a bookmarks section in the inspector. This is where your bookmark links are saved. As you can see, Scrivener invites you to drag in documents or external files to create bookmarks, but we don't want to do that quite yet. You may find some standard items already here in some templates. There's a pull-down list where it says Project Bookmarks. If you click on this, you'll see you also have the option for Document Bookmarks. Project Bookmarks, as you might imagine, will be viewable wherever you are in your project. Document Bookmarks will be viewable only when in a specific document or folder. If you click on the three dots, you'll see the option to select Internal Bookmarks, External Bookmarks, which basically means web links, and External File Bookmarks. So let's deal with those internal links. Why might you want these? Well, to get to things quickly without having to scroll right down your binder could be one reason. For example, any character studies or location descriptions you might have. There are two ways to do this, either by using the list when selecting Add Internal Bookmark, or by, as was suggested on the screen, dragging them across from the binder. Clicking on an item will show the contents in a window down the bottom, so it's a bit like having a split screen. If you drag a folder across, you will see the items within the folder and be able to click on them separately. Items can be reordered by dragging them and deleted from the list by clicking on them and using the minus icon. Next time we'll be looking at adding external bookmarks.